गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा।
एका पान मसाल्याच्या जाहिरातीवरून देशभरातून टीका झाल्यानंतर अमिताभ बच्चन यांनी या जाहिरातीतून माघार घेतली आहे। 80व्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त बच्चन यांनी हा निर्णय जाहीर केलाय। तंबाखूयुक्त पान मसाल्याच्या जाहिरातीत अभिनेते अमिताभ बच्चन दिसून आल्यानंतर सगळ्यांच्याच भुवया उंचावल्या। केवळ पैसे मिळतात म्हणून जी वस्तू स्वतः अमिताभ बच्चन खात नाहीत त्या वस्तूची जाहिरात करतात अशी टीका झाली आहे। शिवाय तरुण पिढीनं अमिताभ बच्चन यांच्याकडून हे शिकावं का असा सवालही उपस्थित झालाय। गोव्यातील राष्ट्रीय तंबाखू निर्मूलन संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर यांनी या जाहिरातीची दखल घेत बच्चन यांना खरमरीत पत्र लिहिलंय। तुमच्यासारख्या अभिनेत्यानं अशी जाहिरात नाकारायला हवी, त्याचबरोबर तंबाखू विरोधातील मोहिमेसाठी योगदान द्यायला हवं असं डॉक्टर साळकर यांनी पत्रात म्हटलं होतं। दरम्यान बच्चन यांनी ही जाहिरात आपण सोडत असल्याचं 80व्या वाढदिवसाच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर जाहीर केलंय। या जाहिरातीच्या प्रमोशनसाठी मिळालेले पैसेही त्यांनी संबंधित कंपनीला परत केलेत। डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर यांनी या संदर्भात प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त केली आहे।
I am extremely happy today that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, the real hero, has withdrawn from that advertisement which is notorious, which is like a surrogate advertisement for the tobacco Kamala Pasan Pan Masala, and he was advertising for Ilaichi and other things with Ranveer Kapoor, and he has given an official statement today that he is withdrawing from that this because it is considered as a surrogate advertisement. Today is his 80th birthday, and I wish him all the best in his future, and I think this is the best return gift what he can give to all the people of India and all his followers, because there are a lot of followers and this would have impacted a lot of young children from taking to this Pan Masala, because our latest study in 1919 Gates study, which is a 2019, the Gates study has shown that in Goa at least there is little increase in Pan Masala uptake, especially in the rural area, and most likely it will be because of this only. So I am really happy that he has taken this step, and I hope that the other heroes, the so-called heroes, Shah Rukh Khan, then Ajay Devgan, Hrithik Roshan, Ranveer Singh and others who go for such type of just because of money, for advertisement just because of money, I think they will understand that impact of this withdrawal of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan from this advertisement, and they will also withdraw from their advertisements. At least in Kadambachar je sagळे तानी जे मारिल्ले आसा, because it is a government owned corporation. गव्हर्नमेंट ओन कॉर्पोरेशन एका सायडीक तुम्ही हेल्थाच्यो एडवर्टायजमेंट मारतात की टीबीचेर सगळे करा म्हणून, एलिमिनेट करा म्हणून, मलेरिया एलिमिनेट करा म्हणून, आणि दुसऱ्या सायडीक तुम्ही तंबाखूच्यो ऍड घालतात म्हणजे सरोगेट एडवर्टायजमेंट्स, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. अँड ऑल अराउंड दीस बेती जर पळयत जाल्यार सगळ्यो पान मसाला गुटखाच्यो सगळ्यो एडवर्टायजमेंट्स चलतात. So I think government at least should tell that such type of blatant advertising should not be allowed for tobacco and its products, because they are harmful to the body, and फाल्यां हातून maximum uptake is in the younger generations. Your advertisement influence कोणाक जाता? Younger generation. So it is important that government should hit to it. I am about to write to the Prime Minister's office and the Health Minister also on this regards, and हांगा सांगपाक some heroes who are continuously doing all this, they should be blacklisted, and they should tell us exactly what is the meaning of this indirect or what is the meaning of this surrogate. Exact meaning is Sangala. We can move to the court on this issue also, but when there is no definition properly, what is surrogate advertisement, what is indirect advertisement, then it becomes a problem. So I am writing to the Prime Minister's office now. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will write that. I am already in the framing of that letter, and this CC to the Health Ministry of the Central Health Ministry, which I feel that they will take some good action. And now with Amitabh Bachchan's action, will send a very powerful message to all the other actors also, that when such a top level actors withdraw from such a surrogate advertisement, the others should also follow the suit.